Friday, May 2nd, and they have the cab tipped back down into place again, and Dad's doing a little bit of welding. I think Aidan went to town for some parts, and we'll find out what the whole thing is here going on with Dad right away. So I don't want to disturb Dad while he's welding, but you can tell that he's been doing welding on the joints here all day, making sure everything's right. And they had a lot of old Bondo and whatnot they had to get rid of in there. And so I think the intent on the inside here was Dad was going to just get them, young Aidan, to get all the flecks of paint. He wanted it smooth, and so they took it down to the paint, but they got rid of all the rough spots in there. So what's the update here? The boys want to know.
We're just about finished sanding this. We got a little bit of this kind of stuff to take off yet. Anything is yellow.
Yeah.
And then we'll slide it off, block it up, body fill,
Okay.
sand, and then ready to grind.
So what's that circle you're welding on there?
There's a hole there.
Oh, okay.
And I want that covered. It was smashed out there.
Okay.
And
Any surprises or?
yeah, come over here. Can you read that?
Oh, look at that. There's the serial number. 1351-B.
Yeah.
So we found the serial number.
Look that up.
I'll send that to our guy out in Montreal. I believe he's at, or Quebec for sure.
Yeah.
Maybe he can find something out on that serial number. But there we go. The serial number has been found. 1351-B. Again, this is a Muskeg tractor. Dad says M7, but it's
M7.
okay. And I think an M7's a train. But anything else you found here?
Yeah, come over here. I found this morning while your mother was sleeping.
Oh, okay.
Our neighbor had this painted,
Okay.
and she wants to put it in the ground so it turns with the wind.
Okay.
And luckily, I had some stuff to make it turn with the wind.
Okay, good.
So I'm going to clear coat it and I'll take it home for
So some volunteer painting there and vandangling. One question I've asked, or I'm going to ask here now, is you took out a diesel Cummins Perkins, or what was it?
No, don't get confused. It's a 4-cylinder Perkins.
Okay.
Standard shift.
Is this the same size? Is this going to fit in? Okay.
It's going to fit in. It's got way more power.
Yeah.
It'll start in the winter.
Yeah.
Plus, it's got a dash shifter.
Okay.
In fact, we've done 3 of them.
Okay.
And they go to beat hell. They start in the winter.
Okay.
This is coming off. We're putting a 1-wire distributor in after we clean it up.
Yeah.
Intake is coming off. New intake, 4-barrel carb. We're away.
Okay. And so Aidan's in town getting parts. What's he getting in town right now?
Clear coat.
Clear coat.
This is
Okay.
motor mounts here. See the rubber mounts?
Yeah. Is that going to fit?
It'll fit right in there.
Okay. Sounds like he's pulling up right now.
Yeah, he's driving Messerschmitt for this.
Messerschmitt. So again, more sanding and grinding and welding here today. But if they're already thinking about paint, that means they're getting closer.
What we'll do is we'll take this off putty. We'll sand all this off and fill in holes that don't need to be here. Weld them solid,
Yeah.
and we'll paint the body.
Okay.
Then put the cab on.
So visualize this for me. Engine back here,
Yeah.
transmission going that way, right?
Rad here,
Rad, yeah.
motor,
Okay.
transmission, and drive shaft.
Now somebody asked, do we have the back cover? Is there a back cover for it?
Yes. We have
Okay.
everything here. It's all there.
Okay, it's all there then. And if it's not here, it's back in that corner over there.
No, we got everything.
But it's yeah. So these guys are really progressing nicely on all this.
We'll demo it when we're all finished.
Okay. And there's young Aidan right there. So we're gonna let these guys get back to work. Dogs are happy.
Okay, you can ask
Aidan, we're gonna have supper. You're invited tonight. We're gonna go out for dinner. Are you coming?
Well, I already have plans.
Oh, okay. Well, then fuck you then.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay, so there you go. He's got a hot date with the girlfriend tonight, and doesn't want to spend any more time with Dad and I. And then so that's that. So there you go, guys. There's the update. And you got any questions? Ask Dad. Just put them in the comments below. Really hope you guys put some comments in. Just even if you like the build, because Dad asks me about comments all the time. How fun was that finding that serial number today?
Oh, I just noticed it when I was cleaning up the front.
There you go. Lucky, lucky, lucky. So there you go, guys. Everything's back into place here, and they're doing the welding and still final cleanup. And so we'll check in with these guys tomorrow.